Hello everyone. Today we will be discussing about placental examination. So placenta is a choroidal structure which helps in maintenance of pregnancy and development of fetus. A placenta is a fetal organ during pregnancy which is responsible for providing nutrition and oxygen to the fetus as well as excretory functions. Examination of placenta should be performed soon after delivery of the placenta so that if there is any doubt about their completeness, further action could be taken before the mother leaves the labor room or the midwife leaves the home in case of home delivery. A thorough inspection must be carried out in order to make sure that no part of the placenta or membranes has been retained. The articles required during placental examinations are placenta with cord, sink with tap water, gloves, mask, plastic apron, basin with clean water, table, Macintosh with paper lining, and a weighing scale. Coming to the steps of procedure for examination of placenta, first, wear apron and gloves, and second, keep placenta with cord in the basin and take it to the sink and wash thoroughly under the running tap water. Now fill the basin with clean water and keep the washed placenta with cord in it so as it dips in the water. Then spread the Macintosh with paper lining on the table and place the basin with the placenta on it. And now hold the placenta for examination in the following sequence. That is, first, placenta at term, second, examination of cord, third, examination of fetal surface of the placenta, and fourth, examination of maternal surface of placenta. So coming to placenta at term, placenta at term is a round, flat, discoid structure of 15 to 20 cm in diameter and 2 to 2.5 cm in thickness, and it is 1/6 of the baby's weight. Now second, examination of cord. The cord extends from fetal umbilicus to the fetal surface of placenta. The cord is a connecting link between the fetus and the placenta and is inserted in the fetal surface of the placenta. Normally, a cord is attached to the center of the placenta or nearby the center of the placenta. Third, examination of fetal surface of placenta. The fetal surface is covered by a smooth, glistening amnion with the umbilical cord attached at or near its center. Branches of umbilical vessels are visible beneath the amnion and they radiate from the insertion of the cord. The amnion can be peeled off from the fetal surface and we have to observe the amnion. It is a transparent membrane and it is in contact with the amniotic fluid in the uterus. And the chorion is a membrane below the amnion which is a translucent in nature. Fourth, examination of maternal surface of the placenta. The maternal surface is a rough, spongy and dull red in color and it is attached to the endometrium in the uterus. Here we have to observe for arrangement of the cotyledons, which are 15 to 20 in numbers and are divided by fissures. And any break in the arrangement of the cotyledons may indicate that there is a missing cotyledon which may be left in the uterus. Here we have to observe for whitish yellow spots which indicates calcification of the placenta. And we have to check for placental infarct, which may be due to blockage in fetal and maternal circulation. And then we have to check for hole in the amniotic membrane. And next, coming to abnormalities of the cord. First, we have short cord. Short cord is a cord length less than 40 cm, which may lead to dystocia, premature separation of placenta, and fetal distress. Long cord is a cord length more than 60 cm, and excessive cord length is more than 100 cm, which may lead to cord prolapse, cord loops around the neck, looped or knotted cord. Cord looping, as said, it is an umbilical cord wrapped around the fetal neck due to excessive long cord. Single umbilical artery, usually in an umbilicus we will find 2 arteries and 1 vein, and missing blood vessel. Now coming to abnormal variations of the placenta and cord. First, we will see placenta succingulate. A placenta succingulate is a small lobe present that is separated from the main placenta, and it's joined by the blood vessels which runs through the membrane. Circumvallate placenta. It is an opaque ring that is seen on the fetal surface. Bipartite placenta. It is a 2 complete and separate lobes which are present, and each with a cord leaving it, and the cord joins a short distance from the 2 parts of the placenta. And if a placenta consists of 3 distinct lobes, it will be known as tripartite placenta. And a battledore insertion of cord. Battledore insertion of cord means the cord is attached at the very edge of the placenta, as seen here in this image. The usual insertion of the cord is near and around the middle. Velamentous insertion of cord. Here the cord is inserted at chorionic level at varying distance away from the edge of placenta. For instance, here in this image, we see that the cord is inserted 5 cm away from the placenta. When usually a cord has to be inserted in the middle, and then the blood vessels will run through. In velamentous insertion, and the umbilical cord is inserted away from the blood vessels run through before reaching the placenta. So after thorough examination of the placenta, we have to wash hands, remove clothes, aprons and masks, and dispose them off as per the institutional policy. And also, the examined placenta has to be thrown in the proper receptor, and then wash hands again thoroughly with antiseptic solution, and record the findings, which includes all the drugs administered, examination of placenta, membrane and the cord, and attention should be drawn to any abnormalities and the amount of blood lost. Thank you.